again. It's a red skin.
Hello my trendy mates, welcome back to my channel. So today I have created this colorful tropical summery look for you all because Shushmita wanted me to create a colorful look because she loves colorful look. So thank you Shushmita. So this look is specially for you and also for all my viewers because this summer I wanted to represent the tropical region with all the greens and the blues and the colorful vibe in my face. So if you want to know how I have created this look, then please keep on watching the video till the end, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and also don't forget to press that bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you never miss an update from me. So please keep on watching till the end. So I will start by prepping my face because it is a heavy makeup, so prepping my face is very important. So I am using a facial oil to give some extra moisture to my face, and then I am applying lip balm to prep my lips, which is also very important. Now I am going to use the Nykaa primer at the places where I have pores especially, and I am going to blend that into my skin. Okay, the one thing that I would suggest is giving some time between the steps while moisturizing or prepping the skin. Now I am using a spoolie to comb my brows. Then I'll do my eyebrows. I'll first start from the outer corner shaping my eyebrow, then I'll fill everything in, and at last I'll do the front part with vertical strokes to get a natural finish. Now I am cleaning around my eyebrow with a concealer lot lighter than my skin tone, and I'll also use it all over my eyelid to prep my eyelids for the bright eyeshadows that is coming next. And now I am using a concealer similar to my skin tone to even out the pigmentation or hyperpigmentation going on. And again I am using the concealer lighter than my skin tone. Then I am using translucent powder to set the concealer in. Now I am using a very precise eyeliner brush to draw the shape using the blue eyeshadow from that palette. And when I am satisfied with that, I'll use a pencil brush to fill that in with the same blue eyeshadow. And I'll continue building up the color until and unless I am satisfied with the color payoff. Then I am taking another pencil brush and using the light blue shade for my inner 1/3 of the eyelid, and again going back with the blue shade to blend things in. Now I am taking the same liner brush and a shimmery blue color in a pencil brush for the outer corner. Now I am taking the same pencil brush and taking the light blue shimmery color for the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. And yay, I am loving it. And then I will go back with the same deep blue shade to give more color. And now I am cleaning under my eyes, taking the green shade from the palette and using it for my lower lash line, taking the light green shade and then I'll take the yellow shade. So all the products I am using will be mentioned in the description box below, so please don't forget to check that out. I am using a very light shimmery shade for my inner corner, and then for the final time I am cleaning my eyes and giving my eyeshadow a final shape. Then again I am using primer because most of the primer already got moved away from the position, so I am again using primer and prepping my face. Now I am using color corrector, taking the orange shade a little and the light colored concealer shade a little to get color corrector of my shade, and using it in all the areas where I have hyperpigmentation, that is around my mouth, under my eyes and on my nose, and blending it in with the beauty blender so that the extra product is removed away. And then I am setting that in with my compact powder so that it does not get mixed with my foundation and looks orange. Then I am using a full coverage foundation and buffing it in with my foundation buffing brush. So I will buff it in, and I will not forget my neck and my ears. These are very important. And I'll continue blending until I am happy. Always remember your neck and your ear. Now I am using the same light shaded concealer over the areas or the highest point of my face. Then I am using the powder brush and setting all the foundation and concealer in place. Now for my lower lash line, I am using the blue kajal to give more colorful appearance to my look. And now I am bronzing my face on the hollows of my cheekbone and my forehead and the jawline so that my forehead looks little less wide and my extra double chin gets hidden away. And taking a very precise brush, I am contouring my nose, which is very important, and again blending it in with the bronzing brush. Now curling my lashes, and obviously I am using mascara next on my upper lashes and also on my lower lashes, because mascara is very important. And using blush is also very important, and using highlighter with the fan brush everywhere wherever I want highlighted appearance, I want glow, I am using it everywhere. And taking another small precise brush, I am highlighting my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes, then lining my lips. All the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. After lining my lips, I am using this matte peachy lipstick all over my lips in a very light motion, because I want very nude, natural, subtle lips with this super colorful eye makeup. And lastly, to set everything in, I am using the setting spray and I will blend it into my face with the beauty blender, and the look is complete. But you might think that this look is too much bright to use for everyday purpose, but no my dear, if there is any event or if there is any competition of makeup or any kind of event you want to participate, then this look is really very gorgeous to help you. In the same manner, if you want to participate in any such events, then Phoenix is giving you such opportunities to participate in several events you want. The prize money is attractive, so give it a try. And these are the list of the events. So if you want to participate, then the link to participate is given in my description box. Check out the rules, fill up the form and just participate. With this, I am done with the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'll meet you again for my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.